guys! Welcome to Play at Okada
with the Bancho family.
Let's go!
Hi!
This is the bestie! Wow!
Yes, may pagsigaw pa. Today it's Sky and Cloud. Sky and Cloud's Day. Let's go. They have lockers also inside. You have to leave your shoes, and we're only allowed to wear socks. You can book through Klook para in advance para less hassle once you arrive here. Anyway, ano siya per time slot, so parang hindi siya magiging crowded yung area. So right now hindi ko alam kung sino maglalaro, kung yung parents o yung mga anak. Sino po kayang mas excited? Sino kayang mas excited? Yung dalawa nag-a-adjust pa sa isa't isa eh. Jump!
How about Cloud and Nong? Go! 1, 2, 3, whee!
Mataas yan, Sky!
Awi.
Sky, you jump!
This is the bestie. Ayun po ang automatic bestie. Ito po ang daddy. Sky. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Up, Sky, up. Happy yarn?
Slide? Masaya yan. You wanna slide?
Wow, slide.
Go slide?
Let's go another side.
So next is Little Park for toddlers.
Maganda siyang bonding with kids kasi pati yung parents naglaro.
Kaya nga.
Parang may challenge din.
True. Wow! One more.
You count. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes, may pagsigaw pa. Thrilled. I'll take you to the obstacles. Yeah, kung san po kami sumusuot ngayon. At kailangan mong yumuko. Daddy will not fit there. Inside. From here. Rico. Which one? Which slide? The blue one? We'll take the blue one. This one is the biggest.
Okay, daddy's turn. Oh no!
More down.
More pa.
Saan pa, kuya?
More.
Go. Pagod po ako. One more time? Alright. Okay, one more time. Okay. Kailangan po doon sa mga big slides accompanied by adults. Yung kids, I think 90 centimeters below. Which one po? Which slide? The blue one? The blue one is the biggest. Which one? This one again? Wait. So, no choice ako kay Sky. Kailangan niyang may kasama. Wait. You sit with daddy.
1, 2, 3.
Wait po. Ready? Count again. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes.
Sabi ni Clyde, bitaw mo na ako. Ayaw.
Oh, naman si Sky! Oh.
Skin eh. Sakit! Ouchie! Ouchie pwede. Ouchie pwede.
Hindi niya tinataas.
Ha?
Hindi mo tinataas.
Hindi!
Yung legs.
Ang
Ah.
sakit! Kaya nga. Pili ko na gano'n yung pwede.
Oo. Na-stretch.
So, sino po talaga nag-e-enjoy? Sino pong masaya?
1, 2, 3, go! Wee! Cloud stern! Cloud stern! 1, 2, 3, wee! So, ayan po, meron din pong stage. Dance. Ballet. Ballet. Wow! Wow! Wee! Go! Ballet, ballet! Wee! Wow! Yay! Wow!
Wow! So, nandito po sa City Hall. City Hall ba to? Ano ba to? Bahay lang? Gutom ka na, o yan, diretso na kainin mo na. Wala nang luto-luto, kainin. Oh.
From time to time, you may wash the or use
Guys, I want to buy this one. Please scan it. See? That's not meat. It's a bread. How much is it? More, please. More, please. Do you want some eggplants? Yes, oh, you get some. Eggplants. What else? You want an orange? Orange. Is that an orange?
No!
Oh. You get that? That's an orange. Can you get some corn, please?
Nakakapagod. Yung mga bata parang hindi na mapagod. Never ending playtime para sa kanila, but it's all worth it, you know. It's all worth it. Again, it's all about the experience. It's part of parenting. Seeing them happy makes you happy. So yun na nga guys, halos napunta na rin namin lahat. Parang wala naman siyang ganong ibang magagawa. Parang mostly, of course, it's a play area for kids and of course for parents as well. So
Nag-enjoy kami.
yeah, it's a
At
good
napagod.
bonding. It's a good bonding kasi parang pwede yung ilang parents pumasok parang as long as you book the tickets sa club in advance. Make sure to avoid hassle in last minute. So guys, this is where we end the video.
Kasi yun, may babantayan pa kami naglalaro.
So we'll enjoy the time na.
Si Nang Bestie pa yung nandun.
Enjoy na namin yung time playing with them. So we'll see you guys in the next video.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Gusto na po ba umuwi?
You want to go home na? No.
Saan ka ba po? Where are you going, Cloud? Oo.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Cloud.
One of the difficult part is going home.
Dilemma.